everyone. I wanted to create this video because we're going to do something fun today, and please excuse my face. It's not done up yet, just have a little bit of base foundation on, but we're going to go do something fun today. We are going to go hang out at Theresa Roemer's freaking home. Oh my god, do you know who this is? Theresa Roemer. She is probably the richest lady in the entire Houston area. So she's gonna have a makeup class get together at her home, and it was for just a select few people, and we're gonna go put on some makeup. So I'll show you the before and after, and we get to take the best part about all of this and Theresa Roemer is the fact that she has a 3-story closet. It is the biggest closet in the world, okay? And I get to take pictures in it today. It is going to be amazing, full of all kinds of name brand goodies. I mean, bags galore, you name it, all of them, everything. So keep posting on this video and go on my little journey today, all right?
with, I've always had pretty closets. It didn't matter how big or small they were, I always had pretty closets. And invariably, every time I would have an event, a charity event, or any kind of event at my house, the girls always know I had pretty closets, so they'd grab their glass of champagne and then say, oh my God, can we go see the closet? Mm-hmm. So we'd end up sitting on the floor in the closet, drinking our champagne, just admiring all the pretty stuff. So when I did this house, I said, why not build the closet so big that I can actually hold the events in the closet? Because that's where the women want to be.
Yeah.
So that was the whole purpose of the closet, was no different than the man that has the garage that holds 37 cars, because he has a car collection. Well, I wanted a closet big enough to hold my collections and just have it be a venue for the events. And so I wanted it to be the closet that continually gives back. Yep. So that was the whole reason for it. And then every 3 months, I try to go through my closet and clean it out periodically. And we donate things to different charities so that they can auction things off and raise even more monies. And so that was the whole purpose of the closet.
Very fine. So is this like an attachment, or this is just part of the house? Like
no, so when I bought this house, it was very ugly. It was very traditional looking. It was a pink brick home. There was literally no landscaping. And the inside was very, just imagine your grandma's house, like very old and just very traditional. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Because it was a preacher's house, but it just was not me. And so I envisioned it when I walked in and thought, oh my God, I love the size of it, but I don't like the inside of it. So I literally gutted it down the whole house. There's nothing here that's original.
Wow.
Nothing. The banister, well, the stairway when you come in the front door was always there, but it wasn't that color and it wasn't silver leafed, and but otherwise everything else in the house is different. The floors are different, walls are different,
so
everything. So downstairs, that area was a little tiny closet and a big office for her. This staircase never existed. This was a laundry room, another bathroom, a playroom, a bedroom, and another bathroom. That was attic.
Oh, wow.
So when I came in, I knew I couldn't live in that little tiny closet. So I said, what's above us? So we came up, and then I said, well, depending on how the beams run, can we break through the floor and create a second story closet? So he evaluated everything. He's like, yeah. And I said, okay, well, now I want a floating staircase. And he goes, you don't put floating staircases in closets. Those only go at the front of the house when you go in. And I'm like, I want one in my closet. He said, they don't go in closets. I'm like, you're putting one in my closet. So this was the first floating staircase he'd ever done in a house for a closet. And then once we got here, I said, what's up there? So we went up there and it was attic. And I'm like, can we break through up there too? And he evaluated everything. He's like, yeah, we can go up there too.
And your husband said?
Well, my husband...
He was at work, he didn't know.
We have a saying at my house, it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
Yes.
Because once you've already done it, it's kind of like, well, I can't quit now.
Yeah.
I already broke a hole through the wall.
How do you like? You like? I think it looks pretty good. So it was a really good freaking course, class, whatever you want to call it. They were amazing. I'll tag the names of the people who did the makeup and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it.